Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. It's like 6 o'clock. I literally haven't done anything today. It was my last day of school. Now we're on Christmas break. But since I'm in quarantine, it's not like I can do anything Christmassy. I just iced all my cookies. The rest of them are in this tote. I'm currently watching Ethan stream on Twitch. I'm just struggling. I don't have any like Christmas spirit at all since I found out I'm gonna be quarantined, and like it's the fact that like we're doing our Christmas Eve plan still that we normally do, but on, like I mentioned before, on like January 3rd or something like that, and that's probably the same day we're gonna do Christmas as well with my mom's side of the family. But it's just like, since this happened, everything is so different. Like we didn't get to do our cookie baking day. The upstairs tree isn't up at all. We don't get to go to my grandma's house on Christmas Eve and like see everyone, which I know we're doing it on like the 3rd or the 2nd, I don't remember, but it's like, it's not the same. So I'm struggling a little bit to, I guess, like get the Christmas spirit that I would normally have. So I just took a bath to clear my head. I think me and my dad are gonna play a seek and find game, and then I'm gonna edit and get my video up. Hey guys, so I'm currently Kitty! Azzy, seriously. This isn't funny. Okay, whatever. I'm currently on FaceTime with Joey. He's not thriving and vibing. We're having a little powwow.
Yeah, literally. My like wrist and like my arm and everything is just like flaring up. I don't even know what it is, but it's really frustrating.
Carpal
I
tunnel.
hope you guys are having a great day, honestly.
Better than both of us.
Yeah, bro.
But me and my dad finished playing our game. My vlog has 6 more minutes. We're really cutting it close tonight to upload. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys. Thank you.